In a land far from home, amidst the echoes of clashing swords and the roar of battle, there lived a soldier named Marcus. He was a man of sturdy build, known for his bravery on the battlefield. Yet, deep inside, a shadow of fear loomed over his heart, an inevitable companion in the throes of war. Marcus had long been taught the ways of a warrior, with his father being a seasoned soldier himself. However, no amount of training could shield him from the anxiety that preceded each engagement with the enemy. Over time, this fear began to weigh heavily upon him, breeding doubt in his capabilities and the righteousness of his cause. One evening, after a strenuous day of marching and preparing for yet another battle, Marcus found himself alone, gazing upon the twilight horizon. The twilight hour carried with it a serene silence, a perfect backdrop for reflection. In this moment of solitude, Marcus remembered the teachings of his mother, a devout Christian who would whisper verses of comfort whenever fear flashed in his young eyes. Honoring her memory, he fell to his knees and began to pray. Lord, you are my refuge and my fortress, my God, in whom I trust. These words flowed from his lips as naturally as the air he breathed, wrapping him like an amorous embrace. As he prayed, the stories of old came rushing to him. The faith of David as he faced Goliath, the resolve of Daniel in the lion's den, and the unwavering belief of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in the burning fiery furnace. Each tale strengthened his spirit, reminding him that his forebears had faced their fears with prayer and a steadfast love for God. A sense of peace washed over Marcus, as if God's own hand rested his shoulder. He stood up, fortified and emboldened by the promises that faith had sowed in his heart. Do not be afraid, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. The next morning, as the sun's first golden rays spilled over the camp, Marcus donned his armor with newfound courage. As the battle raged around him, he fought valiantly, his fears eclipsed by the light of divine assurance.